Okay, welcome back, second graders. Now that you've watched the experiment to review it, you're ready to move on to the next part, which is writing your lab report. If you have a physical copy, that means a paper copy of the lab report, it's going to look something more like this. You're still going to be writing something very similar to what I ask people who are using a computer or digital copy. You're still writing the same things. It's just going to look a little bit different for you, but you have the same exact sections except for this first part, the My Lab Report page. So for people who have a paper copy, don't worry about this page, the My Lab Report page. Just worry about all the other pages, okay? All right, so for the people who are using a digital copy, write your name here in the by section and write today's date here. Just leave this box blank. This box would be if you wanted to add a picture of a catapult, but if you don't, that's fine. The next part is either you're going to write using a pencil on your paper. You're going to write what the question is. So the directions are finish this sentence below with either cotton or ping pong ball. Which will go farther, the blank ball or the blank ball? So in these blanks, you will either put cotton or ping pong ball. And in this blank, you will either put cotton or ping pong ball to finish the question. If you're still working on the My Question part on your paper copy, you're going to write down this sentence here. Which will go farther, question mark, and then you'll write this sentence too and finish it. Okay, for the My Hypothesis page, you're going to write what your guess is about which object will go farther. Okay, you're going to write, will the ping pong ball or will the cotton ball go farther? And then you need to tell me why. So on your paper copy, same thing. You're going to start with My Hypothesis is, tell me what is your guess or hypothesis, will go farther than blank because blank. So tell me which balls you think will go farther, either your cotton or ping pong ball because blank. The next page, if you're doing the virtual copy, I've already put down all of the materials that were used during the experiment for you and pictures of them as well. Okay, so you don't need to do anything on this part. If you're working on your materials needed page on your paper copy, you need to pause this video right now and write down all of these materials. You do not need to draw a picture, just write them down. For the procedures part, here's what you need to do. You need to have at least 4 procedures. That means 4 things that we did in our experiment. If you're using the digital copy, you're just typing your answer to the questions, to each questions in these rectangles. If you have a paper copy, you're going to answer these questions on your paper. So how did we build our catapult? Think about the steps you either saw in the video or that you did to build the catapult, and you'll type or write your answers here. What'd you launch first? What'd you launch second? And then which one went farther? If you're working on the results page, you're going to write in your results which object went farther during the experiment. And in the conclusion part, you're going to write, was your hypothesis right or wrong? And tell me why it was right or wrong. If you're using a paper copy, you have extra spots with places for pictures where you will draw. If you're doing the procedures part, you will draw pictures of what you did to set up the experiment. For the results part, you will draw what happened at the end, the results. Draw what happened. In your conclusion part, you will draw a picture of why you think this happened, what happened, and why you think it did. Draw a picture, a quick sketch of that. And then for your other pages, your pages like the My Question page, the My Hypothesis page, those pages you don't really need to draw a picture. Okay? Your pictures, if you have a paper copy, they don't need to be anything fancy or perfect. They're just quick sketches. Okay? All right, good job, second graders. I'm going to let you go ahead and get to your experiment, get to your writing, I should say, of your experiment. Have a good day. Bye.